परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ
सुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. Nityanandam. We welcome all the devotees, disciples, and all the viewers who are with us witnessing today the Uttamottama Seva being offered at the feet of Sri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva. With the, with the grace of the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Bhagavan Jagadguru, His Divine Holiness Sri Nityananda Paramashivam, will be celebrating and offering the Uttamottama Paksha Upachara Puja at the feet of Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva. Uttamottama Seva is offering the best of what we have. The word Uttamottama in Sanskritam means the best of the best. In the Shaivagamas, Paramashiva explains many levels of pujas, where he explains like there are different kinds. Like one is Uttama, which is the best. Then is Madhyama, which is the normal puja which is offered. Then is Adhama, which is the lower level of the puja being offered. Here, what we offer today at the feet of Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva, present in Adi Kailasa Nityananda Peetam, we are offering the Uttamottama Paksha Upachara Puja, which is the offering of the best of the best. Paramashiva is the source of all the knowledge, all the beings, matter, energy, anything manifest or unmanifest. He is the source of all that exists and yet to exist. When we offer this Uttamottama Puja, Uttamottama Seva to Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva, we connect in the space of oneness with Paramashiva, the ultimate, and getting established into that space of oneness with Paramashiva, we manifest the Shaktis of Paramashiva. Also, this very Kshetra being so auspicious that the very that Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva has manifested himself in the form of the Swayambhu Nityanandeshwara Linga, to whom this puja is going to be offered to. Also, in the Treta Yuga, Bhagavan Sri Ramachandra Prabhu had also offered worship to this very same Swayambhu Linga. So, remembering Paramashiva constantly and cherishing the space of oneness within us, let us now move into the space of let us now move into the Uttamottama Paksha Upachara Puja. Requesting all viewers, devotees, disciples to be in the space of receptiveness, to invoke the space of Paramashiva and enjoy the Uttamottama Seva being offered at the feet of Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva. Thank you, Nityanandam.
you all open all your three eyes and manifest the powers of Mahasadashiva. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. 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 Om Nityananda Paramashivoham.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Nityanandam Paramasukadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Dvandvatitam Gagana Sadrisham Tattvamasyadhilaksham Ekam Nityam Vimalamachalam Sarvadhi Sakshibhutam Bhavatitam Trigunarahitam Sadgurum Tam Namami. Nityanandeshwara Paramasiva Samarambham Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam Lalate Tripundre Nidira Krita Kasturi Tanagaha Spuranmaladhara Spuridakatikopi Navasanaha Dadhano Dustaram Sirasi Panirajam Jasikalam Pradeepas Sarvesham Arunagiri Jogi Vijayate. Om Ganana Antva Ganapatikum Havamahe Kavim Kavinam Upamashravastamam Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspada Anashranman Utibhisthita Sadhanam. Om Shri Mahaganapadaye Namaha. Om Vyomavvyapine Vyomarupaya Sarvavyapine Shivaya Anantaya Anathaya Anashritaya Dhruvaya Shashvataya Yogapitha Samstitaya Nityayogine Dhyanaharaya Om Namah Shivaya Sarvaprabhave Shivaya Ishanamurdhaya Tatpurusha Bhaktraya Aghora Hridayaya Vamadeva Guhyaya Satyajata Murtaje. Om Namo Namaha Guhyati Guhyaya Goptre Anidhanaya Sarvayogadhikritaja Sarvavidyadipaya Jyotirupaya Parameshwara Paraja Achetana Achetana Vyomin Vyomin Vyapin Vyapin Arupin Arupin Prathama Prathama Tejas Tejaha Jyotir Jyotihi Arupa Anagni Adhuma Abhasma Anade Nana Nana Dudhu Dudhu Om Bhu Om Bhuvaha Om Swaha Anidhana Nidhana Nidhanodbhava
शिव शर्व परमात्मन्ने महेश्वर महादेव सद्भावेश्वर महातेजः योगाधिपते मुञ्च मुञ्च प्रथम प्रथम शर्व शर्व भव भव भवोद्भव सर्वभूतसुखप्रद सर्वसान्निध्यकर ब्रह्म विष्णुरुद्रपर अनच्चिदानच्चिद असंस्तुता संस्तुता पूर्वस्थित पूर्वस्थित साक्षि साक्षी तुरु तुरु पतंग पतंग पिंग पिंग ज्ञान ज्ञान शब्द शब्द सूक्ष्म सूक्ष्म शिव सर्व सर्वदा ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमो नमः शिवाय नमो नमो ओम तच्छयोरावृणीमहे गातुं यज्ञाय गातुं यज्ञवदजे देवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वं जिगातु भेषजं शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शञ्चतुष्पदे ओम शांति 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 ओम सहस्रशीर्षा पुरुषः सहस्राक्षः सहस्रपात् स भूमिं विश्वतो भृत्वा अत्यतिष्ठद्दशाङ्गुलं पुरुष एवेदग्ं सर्वं यद्भूतं यच्च भव्यम् उतामृतत्वस्येषाणः यदन्नेनातिरोहति एतावानस्य महिमा अथो जाजागुष्यपूरुषः पादोऽस्य विश्वाभूतानि त्रिपादस्यामृतं दिवि त्रिपादोर्ध्वौदैर्पुरुषः पादोऽस्येह भवात् पुनः ततो विश्वं व्यक्रामते शासनानशने अभि तस्मात् विराट जायत विराजो अधिपूरुषः स जातो अत्यरिच्यत पश्चात् भूमिमथो पुरः यत्पुरुषेण हविषा देवा यज्ञमतन्वत वसन्तो अस्यासीदाज्यम् ग्रीष्मजिह्मः शरद्धविः सप्तास्यासन् परिधयः त्रिसप्तः समिधः कृताः देवायज्ञं तन्वानाः अबध्नन् पुरुषं पशुं तैयज्ञं बर्हिषि प्रोक्षन् पुरुषं जातमग्रतः तेन देवा अजसन्त साध्याऋषजस्तजे तस्माद्यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः संभृतं वृषदाज्यं पशुगस्तागुश्चक्रे वायव्यान् आरण्यान् ग्राम्याश्चजे तस्माद्यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः ऋतः सामानि जग्निरे छन्दागुंसि जग्निरे तस्मात् यदुस्तस्मादजायत तस्मादश्वा अजायन्त एकेजो भयादतः गावो सदुः कतिराव्यकल्पयन् मुखं किमस्य कौ बाहु कावूरोपादा उच्येते ब्राह्मणोऽस्य मुखमासीत् बाहुराजन्यकृतः ऊरु तदस्य जद्वैष्यः पद्भ्यागुंढोद्र अजायत चन्द्रमा मनसोज्जातः चक्षुः सूर्यो अजायत मुखादिन्द्रश्चाग्निश्च प्राणाद्वायुरजायत नाभ्य आसीदन्तरिक्षं शीर्ष्णोद्यो समवर्तत पद्भ्यां भूमिर्दिशः श्रोत्रात् हरिः ओम् ॐ दशाङ्गं गोकुलोपेतं सुगन्धिं सुमनोहरम् आग्रेय सर्वदेवानां धूपजं प्रतिगृह्यताम्। श्री नित्यानन्देश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवाय नमः। धूपमाघ्रापयामि। साज्यं त्रिवर्तिसंयुक्तं वह्निना ज्योतितं मजा गृहाण मङ्गलं दीपं त्रैलोक्यतिमिरापहम्। श्री नित्यानन्देश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवाय नमः। दीपं दर्शयामि। ॐ अमृते अमृतोद्भवे अमृतवर्षिणि अमृतं श्रावय श्रावय स्वाहा। श्री नित्यानन्देश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवाय नमः। नैवेद्यं निवेदयामि। मङ्गलनीराजनम्। ॐ तन्महेशाय विद्महे वाक्प्रशुद्धाय धीमहि तन्नः शिवः प्रचोदयात्। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्रः प्रचोदयात्। श्री नित्यानन्देश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवाय नमः। महामङ्गलनीराजनं सन्दर्शयामि रक्षां धारयामि। ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयामदेवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुं संस्तनोभिः व्यसेम देवहितं यदायुः। स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ नमस्ते गणपतये त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं धर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव सर्वं खल्विदं ब्रह्मासि। त्वं साक्षादात्मासि नित्यं ऋतं वच्मि सत्यं वच्मि अवत्वं माम् अवभक्तारम् अवश्रोतारम् अवदातारम् अवधातारम् अवानोतानमवशिष्यम् अवपश्चात्तात् अवपुरस्तात् अवोत्तरात्तात् अवदक्षिणात्तात् अवचोद्भतात् अवाधरात्तात् सर्वतो मां पाहि पाहि समन्तात्। त्वं वाङ्मयस्त्वं चिन्मयः त्वम् आनन्दमयस्त्वं ब्रह्ममयः त्वं सच्चिदानन्दाद्वितीयोऽसि त्वं प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वं ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयोऽसि। सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तजायते सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तस्तिष्ठति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वजिरजमेष्यति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि प्रत्येति। त्वं भूमिरापो नलो निलो नभः त्वं चत्वारि वाक्पदानि त्वं गुणत्रयातीतः त्वम् अवस्थात्रयातीतः त्वं देहत्रयातीतः त्वं कालत्रयातीतः त्वं मूलाधारस्थितोऽसि नित्यं त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मकः त्वां योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यं त्वं ब्रह्मा त्वं विष्णुस्त्वं रुद्रस्त्वमिन्द्रस्त्वमग्निस्त्वं वायुस्त्वं सूर्यस्त्वं चन्द्रमास्त्वं ब्रह्मभूर्भुवस्सुवरो गणादिं पूर्वमुच्चार्य वर्णादीं सदनन्तरम् अनुस्वारः परतरः अर्धेन्दुलसितं तारेण रुद्धम् एतत्तव मनस्वरूपं गकारः पूर्वरूपम् अकारो मध्यमरूपम् अनुस्वारश्चान्त्यरूपं बिन्दुरुत्तररूपं नादस्सन्धानं सगुंहिता सन्धिः सैषा गणेशविद्या गणकऋषिः नितृद्गायत्री छन्दः गणपतिर्देवता ॐ गणपतये नमः। एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात्। एकदन्तं चतुर्हस्तं पाशमङ्कुशधारिणं रदं च वरदं हस्तैर्बिभ्राणं मूषकध्वजं रक्तं लम्बोधरं शूर्पकर्णकं रक्तमाससं रक्तगन्धानुलिप्ताङ्गं रक्तपुष्पै सुपूजितं भक्तानुकम्पिनं देवं जगत्कारणमच्युतम् आविर्भूतं च सृष्ट्यादो प्रकृते पुरुषात् परम् एवं ध्यायति यो नित्यं स योगी योगिनां वरः। नमो प्रातपतये नमो गणपतये नमः प्रमथपतये नमस्ते अस्तु लम्बोदराय एकदन्ताय विघ्नविनाशिने शिवसुताय वरदमूर्तये नमः। ॐ प्रातरग्निं प्रातरिन्द्रगं हवामहे प्रातर्मित्रावरुणा प्रातरश्विना प्रातर्भगं पूषणं ब्रह्मणस्पतिं प्रातः सोममुतरुद्रगुं हुवेम प्रातर्जितं भगमुग्रगुं हुवेम वजं पुत्रमधितेर्यो विधर्ता आद्रश्चिद्यं मन्यमानस्तुरश्चिद्राज चिद्यं भगं भक्षीत्या भगप्रणेतर्भगसत्यराधो भगेमां दियमुदवदन्नः भगप्रणोदनजगोभिरश्वैर्भगप्रणृभिर्नृवन्तस्याम हुतेदानीं मघवन्तस्यामोतप्रपितुं देवानागुं सुमतोऽस्याम भगजेव भगवागुम् अस्तु देवास्तेन वयं भगवन्तस्याम तन्त्वा भगः सर्व इज्जो हवीमि सनो भगपुर एता भवेह समद्वराजोषसो नमन्तदधिक्रावे वशुचजे पदाज अर्वाचीनं वसुविधं भगन्नो रतमिवाश्व वाजिन आवहन्तु अश्वावतीर्गोमतीर्न उषासो वीरवतीस्तदमुच्छन्तु भद्राः घृतं दुहानां विश्वतप्रपीनाजूजं पात स्वस्तिभिः सदा नः योमाग्ने भागिनगुं सन्तमथ भागिनं चिकीर्षति अभागमग्ने तं कुरु मामग्ने भागिनं कुरु शान्तिः। ॐ सर्वस्याप्त्यै सर्वस्य जित्यै सर्वमेव तेनाप्नोति सर्वं जयति तन्महेशाय विद्महे वाक्प्रशुद्धाय धीमहि तन्नः शिवः प्रचोदयात्। श्रीनित्यानन्देश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्रीनित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवाय नमः। सर्वोपचारपूजार्थे सर्वापराधक्षमापणार्थे समस्तमङ्गलप्राप्त्यर्थे गुरुकृपा कटाक्षसिद्ध्यर्थे महामङ्गलकर्पूरनीराजनं सन्दर्शयामि रक्षां धारयामि। ॐ दक्षिणारावृणीमहे गातुं यज्ञाय गातुं यज्ञपतये देवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वं जिगातु भेषजं षण्णो अस्तु द्विपदे सञ्चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भः समवर्तताग्रे भूतस्य जातपतिरेक आसीत् सदाधारपृथिवीं द्यामोते मां कस्मै देवाय हविषा विधेम हरिः ॐ ॐ अग्निर्नः पातु कृत्तिकाः नक्षत्रं देवमिन्द्रियम् इदमासां विचक्षणम् हविराजं जुहोतन यस्य भान्तिरश्मजो यस्य केतवः यस्येमा विश्वा भुवनानि सर्वा सकृत्तिकाभिरभिसंवसानः अग्निर्नो देव सुविदे दधातु श्रीनित्यानन्दे श्रीपराशक्तिसमेत नित्यानन्दे सर्वं शिवाय नमः नक्षत्रदीपं दर्शयामि ॐ सहस्रशीर्षा पुरुषः सहस्राक्षः सहस्रपात् स भूमिं विश्वतो वृत्वा अत्यतिष्ठदशाङ्गुलं पुरुषजेवेदकं सर्वम् यद्भूतं यच्च भव्यम् उतामृतत्वस्येषाणः यदन्नेनातिरोहति एतावानस्य महिमा अधोऽध्यायागश्च पूरुषः पादोऽस्य विश्वाभूतानि त्रिपादस्यामृतं दिवि त्रिपादोद्भवदे पुरुषः पादोऽस्येह भवात् पुनः तथो विष्णुं व्यक्रामते शासनानशने अभि तस्मात् विराड जायत विराजो अधिपुरुषः स जातो अत्यरिच्यत पश्चात् भूमिमथो पुरः यत्पुरुषेण हविषा देवा यज्ञमतन्वता वसन्तो अस्यासीदाज्यम् ग्रीष्मयिह्नश्चरद्धविः सप्तास्यासन्परिदयः त्रिसप्तः समिधः कृताः देवा यद्यज्ञं तन्वानाः अबध्नन् पुरुषं पशुं तञ्यज्ञं बर्हिषि प्रोक्षन् पुरुषं जातमग्रतः तेन देवा अयजन्त साध्यार्षजश्चजे तस्मात् यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः संहृतं मृषधाद्यं पशुगस्तागश्चक्रे वायव्यान् आरण्यान् ग्राम्याश्चजे तस्मात् यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः नृतस्वामानि जग्निरे छन्दागुंसिजग्निरे तस्मात् यजुस्तस्मादजायत तस्मादश्वा अजायन्त एकेचो भजाजतः गावो हजग्निरे तस्मात् तस्माज्जाता अजावजः यत्पुरुषो यथदुः कटिराव्यकल्पयन् मुखं किमष्टकौ बाहो कावूरोपादावुच्येते ब्राह्मणोऽस्य मुखमासीत् बाहुराजन्यकृतः ऊरो तदस्य यद्वैष्यः पद्भ्यागुंशोऽद्रा अजायत चन्द्रमा मनसो जातः चक्षुः सूर्यो अजायत मुखादिन्द्रश्चाग्निश्च प्राणाद्वायुरजायत नाभ्य आसीदन्तरिक्षं शीर्षोद्यो समवर्तत पद्भ्यां भूमिर्दिशश्रोत्रात् तथा लोकागुमकल्पयन् वेदाहमेतं पुरुषं महान्तम् आदित्यवर्णं तमसस्तु पारे सर्वाणि रूपाणि विचित्य धीरः नामानि कृत्वाभिवदं यदास्ते धाता पुरस्ताद्यमुदाचहार शक्रप्रविद्वान् ब्रजिषष्टदस्रः तमेवं विद्वान् नमृत इह भवति नान्यः पन्था अयनाय विद्यते यज्ञेन यज्ञमयजन्त देवाः तानि धर्माणि प्रथमान्यासन् ते हनाकं महिमानः सदन्ते यत्र पूर्वे साध्याः सन्ति देवाः अभ्यः सम्भूतपृथिव्येन साश्च विश्वकर्मणः समवर्तताधि तस्य त्वष्टा विदधद्रूपमेति तत्पुरुषस्य विश्वमादानमग्रे वेदाहमेतं पुरुषं महान्तम् आदित्यवर्णं तमसः परस्तात् तमेवं विद्वान् नमृत इह भवति नान्यः पन्था विद्यते जनार्य प्रजापतिश्चरति गर्भे अन्तः अजायमानो बहुधा विजायते तस्य धीरा परिजानन्ति योनिम् मरीचीनां पदमिच्छन्ति वेदसः यो देवेभ्य आतपति यो देवानां पुरोहितः पूर्वो यो देवेभ्यो जातः नमो ऋताय ब्राह्मणे ऋतं ब्राह्मं जनयन्तः देवा अग्रे तदब्रुवन् यस्त्वेवं ब्राह्मणो विद्यात् तस्य देवा असन्वठे ह्रीष्यते लक्ष्मीश्च पत्न्योः अहोरात्रे पार्श्वे नक्षत्राणि रूपम् अश्विनौ व्याप्तम् इष्टं मनिषाण अमुं मनिषाण सर्वं मनिषाण सहस्राणि सहस्रशोजे रुद्रा अधिभूम्यां तेषागु सहस्रजो धने वधन्वानि जन्मसि अस्मिन् महत्यर्णवेऽन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि नीलग्रीवाश्चितिकण्ठा सर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवास्थितिकण्ठादिवगुं रुद्रा उपश्रिताः ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानामधिपतयोऽभिषेकाः कवर्धिनः ये अन्येषु विविध्यन्ते पात्रेषु विपतोदनान् ये पताम्बनिरक्षय ऐलवृडाय उजुतः ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति निशङ्खिनः न चेतावन्तश्च भूजागुंसस्तदिश रुद्राभिषस्थिरे तेषागु सहस्रजो धने भदन्वानि जन्मसि नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्याये दरिक्षे ये दिवि ये चामन्नं वात वर्षमिषभस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणा दश प्रतीचिर् दशोदीचिर्दशोद्दास्तेभ्यो नमस्तेन हृदयन्तु तेजं विष्मो यच्च नोर्भे ष्टिजं भोजं ददामि ॐ राजाधिराजाय प्रसंयदाहिने नमो भजं वै श्रवणाय कुर्महे समे कामां कामकामाय मह्यं कामेश्वरो वै श्रवणो दधातु कुबेराय वै श्रवणाय महाराजाय नमः ॐ नमो हिरण्यबाहवे हिरण्यवर्णाय हिरण्यरूपाय हिरण्यपतये अंबिकापतये उमापतये पशुपतये नमो नमः निरञ्जनाय विद्महे निराभासाय धीमहि तन्नः सूक्ष्मप्रचोदयात् सदाशिवाय विद्महे सहस्राक्षाय धीमहि तन्नः शिवप्रचोदयात् श्रीज्ञानदेव श्रीपराशक्ति समेत ज्ञानदेश्वर शिवाय नमः षोडश उपचार दीपाराधनान्ते महामङ्गलकर्पूरनीराजनं सन्दर्शयामि रक्षां धारयामि। ॐ शाक्तेनानेन सकलः विघ्नेयो निष्कलः शिवः क्षित्यादिकुटिला प्रान्त मन्त्रसिंहासनस्थितं शुद्धस्फटिकसङ्काशं द्वात्रिंशल्लक्षणान्वितं पद्मासनस्थं पञ्चास्यं प्रतिभक्त्रं नृलोचनं दृक्खृजेच्छाविशालाक्षं ज्ञानचन्द्रतलाधरम् ॐ अघोरेभ्यो दघोरेभ्यो घोरघोरतरेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः सर्वशर्वेभ्यो नमस्ते अस्तु रुद्ररूपेभ्यः श्रीचानदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत चानदेश्वर परमशिवाय नमः धूपमाघ्रापयामि ॐ उद्दीप्य स्वजातवेदोपघ्निर्निर्वृतं मम पशुगोत्तमत्यमावह जीवनं सदिशो दिशा मानसिकं धीर्जातवेदो कामश्वं पुरुषं जगते अभिप्रदग्न आगहि श्रिया महापरिपादय श्रीनित्यानन्देश्वरी पराशक्तिसमेत श्रीनित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवाय नमः दीपं दर्शयामि ॐ मधुपातारताजते मधुक्षरन्धिसन्धपः माध्वीर्नः सन्तोषतीः मधुनक्तमुतोषधि मधुमत्पाटिभगं व्रतः मधुद्यौरस्तु नः पिता मधुमान्नो वनस्पतिर्मधुमागो अस्तु सूर्यः माद्वीर्गावो भवन्तु नः मधु 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 श्रीनित्यानन्देश्वरी पराशक्तिसमेत नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवाय नमः नैवेद्यं निवेदयामि ॐ सोमो वा एतस्य राज्यमाधत्ते यो राजा सन् राजो वा सोमेन यजते देवसुवामेतानि हवीगुंसि भवन्ति यजेतावन्तो वै देवानागो सवाः तदेवास्मै सवान् प्रयच्छन्ति तदेनं पुनः सुमन्ते राज्याय देवसो राजा भवति नित्यानन्देश्वरी पराशक्तिसमेत नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवाय नमः महामङ्गलकर्पूरनीराजनं सन्दर्शयामि रक्षां धारयामि पुष्पाञ्जलिः ॐ योपां पुष्पं वेद पुष्पवान् प्रजावान् वशमान् भवति चन्द्रमा वा अपां पुष्पं पुष्पवान् प्रजावान् वशमान् भवति तदेवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति श्रीनित्यानन्देश्वरी पराशक्तिसमेत श्रीनित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवाय नमः वेदोक्तमन्त्रपुष्पाञ्जलिं समर्पयामि
The next offering to be offered at the feet of Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of the Chaturvedam, the hymns from the Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda and the Atharvana Veda. देवदेवोत्तम देवता सार्वभौम अखिलांड कोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिव चतुर्वेद प्रिय चतुर्वेदम अवधारय
हरिः ओम् अग्निमीळे पुरोहितं यज्ञस्य देवं ऋत्विजम् होतारं रत्नधातमं हरिः ओम् ईशेतो जेत्वा पाजवस्तो भाजवस्तदेवो वत्सविता प्रार्पजश्रेष्ठतमाय कर्मणे हरिः ओम् आज्ञ आजाहि बीजजे गृणानो हव्यधातजे निहोता सत्सि भर्इषि हरिः ओम् शन्नो देवीरहिष्टयमापो भवन्तु पीतजे संयोरभिस्रवन्तु नः हरिः ओम्.
The next offering to be offered at the feet of Shri Nityandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of the Samagana, the hymns from the Samaveda. Devadevottama devata sarvabhauma akhilanda koti brahmanda nayaka Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Samagana Priya Samaganam Avadharaya.
एतत् सामगायन्नास्ते हा ऊहा ऊहा ऊ अहमन्नमहमन्नमहमन्नम् अहमन्नादो अहमन्नादो अहमन्नादः अहग्श्लोककृते अहमस्मि प्रथमचारितास्य पूर्वं देवेभ्यो अमृतस्य नाभायि यो मा दधाति स देवमावाह अहमन्नमन्नमदन्तमात्मि अहं विश्वं भुवनमभ्यभवाम् सुवर्णज्योतिः हरिः ओम्.
The next offering to be offered at the feet of Shri Nityandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of the Agama Shlokas, the shlokas and the verses from the Shaivagamas. Devadevottama devata sarvabhauma akhilanda koti brahmanda nayaka Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Agama Shloka Priya Agama Shlokan Avadharaya.
ॐ कैलासदक्षिणे शृङ्गे नानाश्चर्यसमन्विते प्रवृद्धवटवृक्षोत्त छायाच्छन्नेति विस्तृते व्याघ्रचर्मपरिधाने पीठे रत्नोपशोभिते देवदानवगन्धर्व सिद्धविद्याधरादिभिः सेव्यमानं महादेवं श्रीकण्ठं विश्वनायकम्.
Next offering to be offered at the feet of Shri Nityandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of the stotras. Devadevottama devata sarvabhauma akhilanda koti brahmanda nayaka Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Stotra Priya Stotram Avadharaya.
ओंकारबिन्दुसंयुक्तं नित्यं ध्यायन्ति योगिनः कामदं मोक्षदं चैव ओंकाराय नमो नमः. नमन्ति ऋषयो देवा नमन्त्यस्सरसाङ्गणाः नरा नमन्ति देवेशं नकाराय नमो नमः. महादेवं महात्मानं महाध्यानं परायणं महापापहरं देवं मकाराय नमो नमः. शिवं शान्तं जगन्नाथं लोकानुग्रहकारकं शिवमेकपदं नित्यं शिखाराय नमो नमः. वाहनं वृषभो यस्य वासुकी कण्ठभूषणं वामे शक्तिधरं देवं वकाराय नमो नमः. यत्र यत्र स्थितो देवः सर्वव्यापी महेश्वरः यो गुरुः सर्वदेवानां यकाराय नमो नमः. षडक्षरमिदं स्तोत्रं यः पठेत् शिवसन्निधौ शिवलोकमवाप्नोति शिवेन सह मोदते श्रीनाथादिगुरुक्रमैकौ सुलभम् श्रीराजराजेश्वरम् श्रीचक्राकृतिशोणशैलवपुषम् श्रीषोडशार्णात्मकम् श्रीषोडादिषडध्वसौधसदनम् ब्रह्माण्डकोट्योद्वतः क्रीडन्तं सतिवागगोचरपदं सेवे परं दैवतम् एकाकारसमस्तलोकजनकं हेमाद्रिबाणासनं नागावासकिरीटकुण्डलधरं नागेन्द्रभूषोज्ज्वलं राकाचन्द्रसमानकान्तिवदनं राजीवनेत्रार्चितं शोकारण्यदबाललं शुभकरं शोणार्द्रिनाथं भजे.
The next offering to be offered at the feet of Shri Nityandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of the Dravida Vedam. देवदेवोत्तम देवता सार्वभौम अखिलांड कोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिव द्राविड वेद प्रिय द्राविड वेदम अवधारय.
திருச்சிற்றம்பலம். தோடுடைய செவிஜன் தோடுடைய செவியன் விடஜேரியோர்த்துவன் மதிசூடி காடுடைய சுடலை பொடி பூசியனுள்ளம் கவர்கல்வன் ஏடுடைய மலரான் உனை நாற்பனின்றேற்ற அருள் செய்த பீடுடைய பிரமாபுரம் மேவிய பெம்மான் இவனன்றே இவனன்றே. திருச்சிற்றம்பலம்.
The next offering to be offered at the feet of Shri Nityandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of Sangeeta Seva. देवदेवोत्तम देवता सर्वभौम अखिलांड कोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिव संगीत प्रिय संगीतम अवधारय.
காமம் அகற்றிய தூயனவன் சிவகாம சௌந்தரினியனவன் காமம் அகற்றிய தூயனவன் சிவகாம சௌந்தரினியனவன் மாமரை போதும் செவ்வாயனவன் மணி மன்றெனும் ஞானதாகாயனவன் மாமரை போதும் செவ்வாயனவன் மணி மன்றெனும் ஞானதாகாயனவன் கல்லை கனிவிக்கும் சுற்றனவன் கல்லை கனிவிக்கும் சுற்றனவன் மூடி கங்கை கருளிய கற்றனவன் கல்லை கனிவிக்கும் சுற்றனவன் மூடி கங்கை கருளிய கற்றனவன் தில்லை சிதம்பர சித்தனவன் தேவ சிங்கமணி மூயர் தங்கமவன் தில்லை சிதம்பர சிற்றனவன் தேவ சிங்கமணி மூயர் தங்கமவன் அம்பலத்தரசையனவன் அம்பலத்தரசை ஐயனவன் அன்பர் அன்பு கெளிதருமேயனவன் துன்பை மொழி கனி தூயனவன் சூஜன் ஜோதிஜவன் பரஞ்சோதிஜவன் சிவசங்கரனை பணிந்தாடுவோம் புகழ் பாடுவோம் தினமே சிவசங்கரனை பணிந்தாடுவோம் புகழ் பாடுவோம் தினமே புகழ் பாடுவோம் தினமே அவன் புகழ் பாடுவோம் தினமே.
The next offering to be offered at the feet of Sri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of Paramashiva Shakti Avishkarana, the offering of the power manifestation. देवदेवोत्तम देवता सर्वभौम अखिलांड कोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिव परमशिव शक्ति आविष्करण प्रिय परमशिव शक्ति आविष्करणम अवधारय
नित्यानन्दं परमसुखदं सेवनं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गहनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्याधिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. Nityanandam. My name is Sri Nitya Shiva Shankarananda. I am a Balasant of Nityananda Gurukul. In today's Paramashiva Shakti Avishkarana, I offer my deepest gratitude and respects towards His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Sri Nityananda Paramashivam as part of the Uttama Seva. Today's power manifestation, Shakti Avishkarana, is going to be the power of advanced third eye reading. How does it work? And how Paramashiva how Swamiji himself brought it to this planet Earth. It starts from Vedas and Agamas. Vedas and Agamas are the source book of Hinduism, where whatever Paramashiva has described and spoken to Parashakti herself, it is being written and being shared to the whole world right now and revived by Swamiji himself. Vedas are the pure science, Agamas are the applied science. In Agamas, Paramashiva very clearly describe about the Shaktis of Paramashiva. What are Shaktis and what are Siddhis? Shaktis are when you manifest the powers or when you manifest the space, when you achieve the enlightenment state and space, and it stays for you permanently. But in Siddhis, you have a glimpse of it. You know how it is going to be. How you're going to manifest that power. And it doesn't stay for you, it stays, but it doesn't stay for you permanently. That's called Siddhis. In Vedas and Agamas are the only scripture Bhagavan says, Swamiji says, in this current Kali Yuga, where the whole humanity has to follow. It takes for years together, but the only scripture in this current 21st century of Kali Yuga. Today's power, which is going to be offered to Paramashiva's lotus feet as part of the Uttama Seva, is the power of advanced third eye reading, where there will be a set of books kept and the volunteer will be coming up and choosing any one book and making me to read or making me to manifest that power. So I will be able to read the pages which has been given there. How the power manifests. What is third eye? Third eye is basically an intra-organ which is there inside you, which every single human being has. Swamiji said, only when you receive the initiation, Diksha, when the Diksha is happening to you, only then the power manifestation happens, or you'll be able to feel a glimpse of what is power manifestation, and you can manifest the powers, space, state, and the super consciousness of Kailasa and Paramashiva. So when this power manifests, our non-mechanical parts of our brains get awakened. When the power of third eye is manifesting, the non-mechanical parts of our brain gets awakened, and we will get into the super conscious breakthrough, from our conscious breakthrough. So let me tell in the layman terms. Swamiji said, every single person who has head has third eye. Every single person who is born Hindu, even though they are not initiated, they have third eye. But only thing they have to have is a realization that they have something inside them that they can manifest. That is not only that they only have to only eat, sleep, and just go on doing what their routine is. They have something else which is extraordinary inside them to do. That's what Swamiji is there His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Sri Nityananda Parameshivam is here to revive the whole sense. There is something else which is there within each one of you that you guys can raise up to have the super conscious breakthrough. Swamiji always tells, for every single thing, there is he refers to the Agamas, he refers to Vedas and Agamas, where Paramashiva himself described how we're supposed to live our day-to-day life and how we're supposed to manifest powers. Third eye is not only you closing your eyes and you read it. You read something which is given to you, or you play with your third eye, or you watch a movie with your third eye. It's not as simple as that. Swamiji said, third eye can be as, you can use as simple as when you are in the traffic, when you are stuck in the car and you are in the traffic, you need to, you are very urgently want to go to your office, but you don't know, it is taking time for the traffic red light to become a green signal. So as simple as that, you can see through your third eye, change the signal from red signal to green signal and just move on. So in every single thing, every single aspect of your life, you can use third eye. It can be in your exams, it can be either your office work, it can be in your health, wealth, anywhere. Getting back to the point, Swamiji always refers to Vedas and Agamas and how Paramashiva describes third eye is there in Agamas. And he's very clear, Swamiji is very clear, that he is not here to prove that he is God. He is here to prove that all of us are God. When he has already had his enlightenment experience at the tender age of 12, he wants to transmit the same energy, the same experience to all of us and making us experience the superconscious breakthrough. Shastra Pramana. What is Shastra Pramana? Shastra Pramana is a scriptural evidence, a scriptural proof where Paramashiva, Sadashiva, Mahadeva himself, who tells about the power of third eye in the Vijnana Bhairava Tantra, Dharana 8, Sutra 35. There is a shloka, verse behind the whole power manifestation of third eye. So let me chant the Shastra Pramana. Taya purya sumurdhantvam bhantva vrukshe pasetuna nirvikalpam manah kritva sarvodve sarvagodgamaha. Paramashiva tells, he mentioned in Raurava Agama, one of the 28 Shaiva Agamas in the Raurava Agama, where Vidyapada and Srimad Kamika Agama, verse 9 to 11, he describes what are Shaktis of Paramashiva. Very clearly he describes Shaktis of Paramashiva is very clearly mentioned in that. Now I chanted from the Vijnana Bhairava Tantra, Dharana 8, Sutra 35. Paramashiva very clearly describes the one who intensely close their eyes, remember the form of me in their third eye, in the third eye, manifest the complete form as me, either as a formless form or in the form himself, as how Swamiji is there right now. Where is third eye located and what is actually third eye? We have 7 different chakras in our body. We have something called Kundalini, inner potential energy. Third eye is located between our eyebrows, where the Agnya is there. Agnya means in Sanskrit either will or third eye, both. It is there between our eyebrows. Swamiji tells, when he gives an initiation, either through a word or a touch or a look, it directly transmits towards us, because he has an experience within him. He knows what his experience is, very clearly proven by the Shastras, by the Agamas, and he had the same experience, and he will be able to give the same experience towards us as a Sakshi Pramana. He tells, when 1 or 2 manifest, it's a miracle. If 1 or 2 people are able to manifest this power of third eye, it becomes a miracle. But if thousands of them across the globe are able to manifest, it's becoming a science, Pratyaksha Pramana or Sakshi Pramana. Now, His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Sri Nityananda Parameshivam is reviving the whole science for past 26 years. The science of Kailasa, the only Hindu nation, and the science of power manifestation, which has been lost thousands of years ago, and now he is reviving back through his enlightenment experience which he had in the tender age of 12. I just wanted to share a small story where Swamiji has said how third eye has become an experience for him and how he is able to transmit the same experience to all of us. In the holy town, the temple town of Tirunelveli, where when he was in the age of 12, Swamiji had his enlightenment experience in the Pavalakundra rock, where he was sitting. He was just casually sitting there. He was able to feel the rock and the skin are one and the same. When he was sitting, he knows that in that sudden spot, in the sudden sometime, it was a full moon day, Purnima day. When Swamiji was sitting there, he was able to feel everything around him is visible. Even though he is sitting, he knows what is happening around him. He was able to see what is happening above him, under him, what is happening behind him, and everywhere. He was able to feel intense samadhi and experience of joy inside him. So when he had this experience, the experience was not able to overcome him for more than 2 to 3 days. So he went down and he came down. After having this experience, he came out and he mentioned to Mataji Koppamal, Vibhudananda Puri, that he had this experience of 360-degree vision, where he is able to sit in the same place. He was able to feel everything is one with him. He was not able to feel that the plants, the rock, the sky, the air, his own body, the cloth which he was wearing, everything is like something different. He was able to feel everything is him. Everything is Paramashiva. Everything is one with him. He was able to feel the oneness space, where you and the object or you and the matter are one and the same. So when he had the same experience, he was able to see the 360-degree vision. He was able to see everywhere just by sitting in one posture. So in the same excitement, he was going on sharing to everybody. He was going on sharing to his friends, whoever was coming on to his way. When he was going back to his home, he was sharing with everybody with the same excitement and joy. So when he had this experience of 360-degree vision, he knows that there is not him who Swamiji, there is not really Swamiji who had this experience, but there is something else in him which made the experience happen, which is Paramashiva himself. So he knows what is happening. He was describing to his friend, to a person, there is a tree behind him and there's ants climbing on it. I was able to see in the front there's a plant. He was able to describe everything into the minute detail. So this is one of the Swamiji's life experience when he was in the age of 12 in the temple town of Tirunelveli. He had an enlightenment experience where his Atma Pramana, his own experience, is being shared, where he has been, the whole experience has been verified by Shastra Pramana, the scriptural evidence from the Agamas, and now given as a Sakshi Pramana to all of us. So let me now get to the power. I will be chanting the Mahavakya of Om Nityananda Paramashivoham, getting into the space of oneness. Oneness, the living Advaita, living Shuddha Advaita, is when you get into the space of oneness, you know either you and the book, or you and the IBAN which you are going to be putting, or you and the person who is going to be projecting the word to you, or in the camera which you guys are seeing now, or you, and everything around you is one and the same. You don't feel that book is the book which is going to be projected is different, or Swamiji himself as an avatar is different from you as a disciple. You feel you are Paramashiva and he is also a Paramashiva. When you have the living Advaita Shuddha Advaita Saivam between you and him, the experience of oneness, you manifest the powers. Basic power which Swamiji tells that when you start manifesting, when you have the oneness space, is third eye. Reading with the eyes closed, reading with the eyes blindfolded. So today's power is going to be a little advanced, little more higher level. Let me describe to you in detail how the power will be manifesting today. So there will be a set of books kept in front of me. So I invite a volunteer to come forward. So there will be a set of books kept. Once my eyes are completely blindfolded with a surgical eye patch, once it's completely blindfolded, and the participant or the volunteer will be choosing any one book which he wants, and he'll be opening the page, and he will be giving and showing the page towards you. When my eyes are completely blindfolded, he will close the book and he will give the book to me. I will open the same page with my closed eyes blindfolded. Depends on how many pages he wants me to read. It can be even 10 pages he wants me to read, or it can be even 1 page. As minimum as 1 page to 10 page. Whatever volunteer mentions, the number of pages which he wants me to read, I will be reading it through Swamiji's presence and through Swamiji's Mahavakya and his grace. So let us start with the power manifestation. So now you can see the eye patch is being taken out from the cover. So this is the eye patch which is going to be put on my eyes. Surgical eye patch is completely proven that when the eye patch is put, there's no not even a bit of light which can enter your eyes. Well, it's completely proven by the doctors, and we have been experimenting it all over India and across the globe. So this eye patch is going to be taken and pasting out on my eyes. So now as you can see, the eye patch is being pasted. So there is, if you have noticed, there is no kind of restlessness inside me, or oh, my eyes are completely blindfolded, I'm not able to see anything. I know that Paramashiva himself will manifest this power when I'm connecting with Swamiji by chanting the Mahavakya of Om Nityananda Paramashiva Om, having the cognition that me, myself and Swamiji are one and the same during this power manifestation. So I invite the volunteer to choose any book he wants, which is being placed in front of me. There are 5 books. You can choose any book you want and show it towards the camera, telling the page number.
This is the page number I am showing. Page number is 49.
So the page number is 49. Okay, got it. So he'll be you can see in the camera that the book is getting projected. Page number 49.
The page number is 79.
Okay, it is the page number 79. The page number 79 is open. He just, after showing in the camera, he has closed the book and he has given to me. He has mentioned to open the page number of 79 and start reading it. Maharaj, can you mention how many pages should I read?
Read the off page.
An English teacher was teaching the last class and the academic year in the literature. He prepared a few questions to get feedback from the students on the effectiveness and style of his teaching. One of the questions in the list was, have I influenced your attitude towards the subject? One student wrote, no, I still like it. Many a time the answers we get in the response to our questions may not be unnecessarily be what we expect. We might be harboring a question with a certain expectation, about the answer, but the answer might just shake us completely. One such question is, who am I? Of all the questions we ask in our lives, this is perhaps the most important. There are many questions we ask during our lifetime of our innocence like a child out of a curiosity, some to just exhibit our knowledge and ego, some to check if others knew the answer or not, some out of ignorance without knowing what is the really, and some just expressing our confusion. And it is written boldly in black in color, unless knowledge becomes our experience, it is only skin deep. So this is the page which Maharaj just told, page number 79, which I just read out. You can choose one more book. You can choose one more book.
This is the page I am choosing. The page number is 144.
Follow me in, which can be lost. So you should be grateful that you have something to lose. Fear can't be lost. You see, fearlessness does not mean absence of fear. Fear and the charge to live with it, and this is all I got, fearlessness. Absence of fear will happen only in the graveyard. Fear cannot be completely absent in you. Question 1. How do I live connected to you in everything that I do? So he just told to read what is there in the page number 144. Answer. Constantly living in the Ananda Gandha, that is living in an unclutched way, is the first step. If you are not able to be unclutched, then listen to the words of the master through audio or video, or read his books. If you are not even able to do that, then listen to the master's music, his name. These are the 3 steps that I can give you for this. Stay in the pure Sat. This is with the self unclutched, with the pure awareness. If you can't, then listen to the words where the master is constantly telling you to be unclutched. If this also is not possible, then by listening to his music, at least remind yourself of the responsibility to be unclutched. These 3 methods can help you to can you be connected to the master always. So this is the power which I just mentioned about the advanced third eye reading. So with the humble respects and gratitude towards His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Sri Nityananda Parameshwaram, I offer as part of this Uttama Seva as Parameshwara Shakti Avishkarna to Swamiji. Thank you, Nityanandam.
The next offering to be offered at the feet of Sri Nityandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of the Tirkailaya Vadyam. देवदेवोत्तम देवता सार्वभौम अखिलांड कोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिव वाद्य प्रिय वाद्यम अवधारय. देवदेवोत्तमं देवता सार्वभौमम् अखिलाण्डकोटिब्रह्माण्डनायकं श्रीनित्यानन्देश्वरी पराशक्तिसमेतं श्रीनित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवम् अष्टपुष्पैरभ्यर्च्य ॐ सर्वस्याप्ति सर्वस्य जित्यै सर्वमेव तेनाप्नोति सर्वं जयति न तत्र सूर्यो भाति न चन्द्रतारकं नेवा विद्युतो भाति कुतो यमग्निः तमेव भान्तमनुभाति सर्वं तस्य भासा सर्वमिदं विभाति। श्री नित्यानन्देश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवाय नमः। सर्वोपचारार्थे सर्वमङ्गलवाप्यर्थे सर्वाक्षमापणार्थे आनन्दकर्पूरनीराजनं सन्दर्शयामि रक्षां धारयामि। ॐ स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महिर्महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं क्षोभरहितः ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः इति स्वस्तिमन्त्रार्थाः सत्या सफला भवन्तु इति भवन्तो महान्तो न गृह्णन्तु तथास्तु। दुर्जनः सज्जनो भूयात् सज्जनः शान्तिमाप्नुयात् शान्तो मुच्येत बन्धेभ्यः मुक्तश्चान्यान् विमोचयेत् इति भवन्तो महान्तो न गृह्णन्तु तथास्तु। अपुत्राः पुत्रिणः सन्तु पौत्रिणः अधनाः सधनाः सन्तु जीवन्तु शरदर्शतम् इति भवन्तो महान्तो न गृह्णन्तु तथास्तु। राजा धर्मपतिः प्रजासु चरिताः पूजाधनाः सज्जनाः षट्कर्मप्रवरा द्विजाः प्रतिदिनं विद्या अनवद्या सदा वाणी सन्निहिता चिरं कविमुखैः सानन्दमव्याकुलाः सर्वे सन्तु वैदिकधर्म अनुष्ठातारः सौजन्यसन्तोषिणः इति स्वस्तिमन्त्रार्थाः सत्या सफला भवन्तु इति भवन्तो महान्तो न गृह्णन्तु तथास्तु। येषां देवदेवानां महादेवानाम् अखिलाण्डकोटिब्रह्माण्डनायकानां सकलभुविसृष्टिस्थितिसंहार तिरोभाव अनुग्रहाज्ञ पञ्चकृत्यपरायणानाम् आदिमध्यान्तरहितानाम् अप्रमेयपराक्रमाणां तत्त्वार्थगोचराणां श्रीनित्यानन्देश्वरी पराशक्तिसमेत श्रीनित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवस्वरूपाणां श्री आदिगुरु अरुणगिरि योगीश्वर स्वरूपानां श्री कालभैरव महाकाली स्वरूपानां श्री कैलासोन्नत द्वादशान्तश्यामला पीठारूढानां श्री मीनाक्षी सुन्दरेश्वराभिन्न स्वरूपानां परशिवपुत्र रत्नकुमार गुरुमन्यतुल्यावतार श्री पार्वती स्तन्यपानलब्ध दिव्यज्ञान विश्रुत सकल निगमागमसारभूत द्राविड वेद प्रवक्तॄणां श्रीमत्परमशिव करुणा समधिगत मुक्तामय चतुरश्रया नगीयमान छत्र चामर श्रीचिन्नगाहलादि समस्त बिरदावल्यलंकृत ज्ञान विज्ञान चक्रवर्तिनां सर्वजन संघ सद्यो निर्वाण दीक्षा व्यजापवर्ग वर्ष विश्रानजीमूत परमतकलभगेसरी शैव सिद्धांत स्थापनाचार्याणां श्रीराजाधिराज पांड्य महाराज गुरूणां क्षपनशाक्याधिमहान्धकार निवारण ज्ञान भानूनां वीक्षणानर्हारदजोच्छेदन पूर्वक श्रीमद्वृषभध्वजस्थापकानां शैव समयकर्तॄणां सर्वज्ञपीठारूढानां श्री जगद्गुरु श्री ज्ञानसंबंधदेशिक स्वामी वागीश सुंदर माणिक्यवाचक स्वामिनां अवतारभूत श्री ज्ञानसंबंध स्वामी पुनरुद्धृत श्यामला पीठ सर्वज्ञ पीठ त्रणवद्युत्तर द्विशततम गुरु महासन्निधानानां अरुणगिरियोगीश्वर परंपरागत अरुणाचल सर्वज्ञ पीठ गुरु परंपरा प्राप्त कैलास परंपरागत कांची कैलास सर्वज्ञ पीठ त्रयस्त्रिंशदुत्तरद्विशततम गुरु महासन्निधानानां नित्योत्सव नित्यमंगल नित्य कल्याण नित्यरचित कैलास परंपरागत आदि कैलास नित्यानंद पीठ महासंस्थान महासिंहासन पीठ कर्तॄणां साक्षात् श्री परमशिव समुद्भूत कैलास परंपरागत वैवस्वत मनु इक्ष्वाकु हरिश्चंद्र भगीरथ श्रीरामचंद्र शूरसेन इत्याद्यनवच्छिन्न सार्वभौम चक्रवर्ती परंपरागत चतुष्षष्टि योगिनी मंडित चतुष्षष्टि संप्रदाय प्रवर्तक मनुधर्म शासन सूर्यवंश प्राप्त सर्वज्ञ पीठ सुरांगी साम्राज्य मूर्ताभिषिक्त चूड़ामणीनां साक्षात् श्री परमशिव समुद्भूत कपिल महागुरु पुनरुद्धृत महानिर्वाणि पीठ अष्टोत्तर सहस्र श्री महामंडलेश्वरानां साक्षात् श्री परमशिव समुद्भूत साक्षात् श्री परमशिव सिंहासनाभिषिक्त समस्त गणनायक श्री महागणपति समारंभ अनवच्छिन्न पीठाधीश्वर गुरु परंपरा प्राप्त अटल पीठ अष्टोत्तर सहस्रतम अष्टोत्तर सहस्र श्री अटल पीठाधीश्वरानां धर्म मुक्ति स्वर्ग पुरस्वर्ण पीठ त्रयोविंश गुरु महासन्निधानानां कैलास परंपरागत आदिपीठ सर्वज्ञ पीठ जगद्गुरूणां श्री कैलास पुनरुद्धारकानां श्री कैलास परमाचार्याणां श्रील श्री भगवत् श्री नित्यानंद परमशिव श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक परमाचार्य स्वामिनां पादारविन्दयोः अचंचला भक्ति सिद्धिः समेषां सहकुटुम्बानां सकलैश्वर्य प्राप्तिः गुरुकृपा कटाक्ष सिद्धिः क्षेमस्थैर्य वीर्य विजय आयुरारोग्य ऐश्वर्यानाम् अभिवृद्धिः अरोगदृढगात्रता सिद्धिः आचन्द्रार्क वंशाभिवृद्धिः धर्मार्थकाममोक्ष चतुर्विध फलपुरुषार्थ सिद्धिः सर्वेषां शील श्री भगवत् श्री नित्यानंद परमशिव श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक परमाचार्य स्वामिनां पादारविन्दयोः भक्ति सिद्धिः भगवत् श्री नित्यानंद परमशिव प्रसादेन सकुटुम्बस्य ज्ञानवैराग्य जीवन्मुक्ति प्राप्तिश्च भूयात् इति भवन्तो महान्तो न गृह्णन्तो तथास्तु सर्वे जनाः सुखिनः सन्तो तथास्तु समस्त सन्मङ्गलानि सन्तो तथास्तु सर्वत्र नित्यानन्दध्वजारोहणं भवतु तथास्तु सर्वेषां भगवत् शील श्री भगवत् श्री नित्यानंद परमशिव श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक परमाचार्य स्वामिनां परिपूर्ण कृपा कटाक्ष सिद्धिः अस्तु तथास्तु अयं धर्मः उत्तरोत्तरम् अभिवृद्धिरस्तु तथास्तु सर्वं भगवत् श्री नित्यानंद परमशिव पादुकार्पणमस्तु। ओम नित्यानंदं मंगलं कल्पवृक्षाय मंगलं ज्ञानदायिने सदाशिवाय श्रीनित्यानन्देश्वराय मंगलं मंगलं श्रीविद्याम्बायै मंगलं कामदायिन्यै सर्वमंगलदात्री नित्यानन्देश्वर्यै मंगलं मंगलं गुरुदेवाय मोक्षमूलाय मंगलं परावतार नित्यानन्दाय गुरवे मंगलम्। मूलमन्त्रं यथाशक्ति जप्त्वा ॐ यत्किञ्चित् कर्म देवेश सदा सुकृतदुष्कृतं तन्मे शिववदस्तस्य भुङ्क्षभयशङ्कर शिवो दाता शिवो भोक्ता शिवः सर्वमिदं जगते शिवो यजति सर्वत्र यः शिवः सोऽहमेव तु. The next offering to be offered at the feet of Sri Nityandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityandeshwara Paramashiva is the offering of the Jnanapada Vivarna. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Sri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Jnanapada Vivarna Priya Jnanapada Vivarnam Avadharaya.